Hello, this is Bobbie. Welcome back. This week, we're going to talk about the different types of loans. So Emily is going to go over the different loan types that are available for you. If you have any questions regarding any of these types after the video, you can reach out to one of us.
Hello again, I'm Emily with Flatbranch Home Loans, and today I just wanted to go over the different types of loans that are offered. The very first loan I want to talk about is the conventional loan. It's your most traditional type of a mortgage. The minimum down payment for a first-time home buyer on a conventional mortgage is 3%. Standard down payment for someone that's not a first-time home buyer is 5%. If you do put 20% down, you don't have to pay any type of mortgage insurance with the loan. So it is the only type of a loan that offers that. There are adjustable rates available with this type of loan, as well as just your traditional rates. It's really just kind of the best loan to go through for any type of property. There are, minimum standards as far as your credit goes and that sort of thing to qualify for this loan. But that is the most traditional type of a mortgage. The next loan I would talk about would be your FHA loan, which is a government-backed loan. The minimum down payment for this loan is 3.5%. It's more designed for people who may not qualify with their debt-to-income ratio or something like that. Maybe has a lower credit score to get them, the availability to get into a mortgage. Along with that, there's the USDA and the VA loan. USDA, which is very big out here in Lincoln County. The main thing with the USDA loan is you have to buy a property that's in a rural area. If you have any questions about a property that you're looking at, wanting to know if it's in a USDA area, definitely give me or Bobbie a call. We can look that up for you. There are income limits for the USDA loan, so that would be something that we would have to discuss in the application process to make sure you're not over those income limits. But with a USDA loan, it's 0% down, so it's very favorable too for first-time home buyers because you do not have to put any type of down payment down. Again, it's backed by the government, so it would be insured as a government loan. The next type loan that I would like to talk about would be the VA loan, which is available for any past military retirees and also active military. The way we see if you qualify for this type loan is to pull your certificate of eligibility. It is 100% financed loan, so you would not have a down payment. Obviously, it's a great benefit for those of you that have served our country, which thank you for that. The property standards and everything for that are pretty much the same as FHA and USDA. So if you have any questions on any of these type loans, definitely give me a call. I can kind of walk you through it in a little bit more detail. And like I said, there are other types of loans that we do offer as well, but these are the standard ones that when somebody calls that we look to see if they qualify for.
So when someone contacts you to get a pre-approval, how do you know or what do you look at to determine which type of loan they qualify for?
Sure, absolutely. So obviously the first thing we do is take your application and get your permission to pull your credit. And with that application, it pulls in all of your current details, your home address, who you're employed with, assets that you have, that sort of thing. So we just kind of input that all into the system. And once we pull your credit, then we can pull up one of the biggest pieces, which is your debt to income ratio. That's really what kind of tells you if you have a lower debt to income ratio that you would be able to qualify for a conventional loan. Higher debt to income ratio, maybe, FHA. Obviously, we're looking at, how much you have saved for a down payment if you're out in the Lincoln County area or another rural area, maybe that you're interested in a USDA loan. So we just kind of initially pull in all the information you've given us on what you're kind of looking for. If you're looking for down payment assistance, where you kind of think your credit is, and then we call and just discuss all your options and, allow you to do that.
Perfect. Well, if you guys have any questions regarding the loan types or any questions in that process, just give one of us a call.
Yep, absolutely. We're here to help.
Yeah, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.